Introducing the 2023 Hyundai Tucson i35 Comfort Plus 5-door in stunning blue. This sleek MPV boasts a powerful 1.6-litre diesel engine with manual transmission for a smooth drive. Loaded with top-notch features including air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control, and more for ultimate comfort. Safety is a priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and more. Plus, with a full warranty, multi-point safety check, and service to manufacturer spec, this vehicle is a steal. Don't miss out. Call us or visit Dooley Motors Carlow showroom today. Drive away in style with peace of mind.